Alright, so right now we're heading to, I'm heading to Crofton. This is their first spring thaw meet that they're having. I'm heading up there in my mother's Dodge Avenger. Yeah, at this point in time that you guys see this video, the Mustang was not completely repaired yet, and or I have not actually had time to negotiate a deal for another car yet. So we're heading up there right now. Some of the boys should be up there. Let's go ahead and have some fun, all right?
Insane, 'cause every single day I wake up unafraid, I bruise and I bleed and try it over again. Don't matter where I've been, I'm winning in the end. The difference is I don't give up when I'm falling. I know the risk, I read the warning. The difference is I just get up and keep fighting. I come back, strike harder than lightning, 'cause I know I come back, strike harder than lightning, 'cause I know I come back, strike harder than lightning, 'cause I know
Operate your camera.
Yeah, I think I got it on manual mode, that's why.
So what was the joke there?
I'm not saying anything.
Because
you were pissing me off. No.
It wasn't funny, right?
Because you blinded me.
No, just tell me what the joke was, bro. You said my card would get declined after betting on him?
Yeah, you bet all your money.
on the line, I'm betting on my life, 'cause if you get the chance, you only get one
chance. 60. Alright guys, so we're actually here with the owner of the Crofton meet, Collins, in his brand new S5? 4. 70.